Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. Make sure your lemons are ripe and firm for the best juice. You'll also want a good juicer, a saucepan for the syrup, and a large pitcher for mixing everything together. This recipe is straightforward and yields a delicious, refreshing drink. Now, let's get that fresh lemon juice. Start by rolling each lemon firmly on your countertop for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps release the juices inside. Then, carefully cut each lemon in half. Using a citrus juicer, extract all the juice, straining out any seeds or large pulp. You're aiming for roughly 1 cup of pure, fresh lemon juice for our recipe. This step is key for that bright, zesty flavor. Next, we'll prepare the simple syrup, which sweetens our lemonade perfectly. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Place the pan over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once clear, remove it from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature before mixing. This ensures a smooth, evenly sweet lemonade. Finally, let's bring it all together. In your large pitcher, combine the fresh lemon juice, the cooled simple syrup, and the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything thoroughly until well combined. Give it a taste and adjust the sweetness if you like, adding a little more water or syrup as needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. For the best flavor, chill your homemade lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving over ice. Enjoy your refreshing, natural drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.